ready, go.
Third and 13.
Ready?
2 of 3 so far on third down conversion. Barnett.
Get him!
Timeout. He's going to run.
Get him! Yeah! Give me 5. Yeah!
Stop him as he's upended at the 33-yard line. Daniel.
Yeah, that was a good play.
The stop from Lee, Texas on Addison High School.
Well, he's going to find some open space over here.
Kick it?
This year, 54 yards is.
Are we gonna block it? It's a field goal. Let's block it. Oh, they didn't make it. Yay!
Iowa State missing on the field goal.
What, are you going for Iowa State, kid?
7-0.
No kidding. You should be like, yay!
From 54, coach. That was a 50-yarder. But
Run! Run! Run!
here's another weapon that Nagy's got. That the past 10 quarterbacks have been outstanding throwers. These guys are pretty good runners.
He's a good athlete. Get those first downs.
Yeah, he should have ran there.
He's elusive, so good job on him getting something on the outside.
Second down here. And
Yeah, go, go! Yeah!
to the 35-yard line of Iowa State.
That was a good play, right?
Washington
Yeah?
takes the
5s? Yeah, good play. Guns up?
They both do a good job getting north and south. Washington just a
No.
younger player, just a freshman, 5'7", 180 pounds.